Here we go, it's Bart here from Bodjabart again. Something different. My wife has given me a present. She hopes it'll make my life a bit easier out here. It's a new parcel, here it is. Don't know if you can see that there, but we shall open it up, put it together, and see how it goes. Right, we need a knife. Here we go, actually found the knife. There we go. Pull it off. Pretty good. Right. How's this going? Are we able to see down there? Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll put it down on a bit of an angle for you. Here we go. Right. We have instructions. I'm not like most men, I do actually read the instructions to see how it goes together, so this will be interesting. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. This one looks pretty simple. We got a welding top, storage tray, legs, screws, nuts, swivel casters, and more nuts. Right, looks pretty simple. Let's see how it goes. Last one. Humbug. Oh, that hurt. Punched my finger in the clamp. I'm going to get a blood blister now. Oh. Not nice. Pain, sore. Right, we're ready. Tip it up. Oh, look at it. There we go. It's alright. Look at that. Maybe we can use some clamps. There we go. We have these we can put on here. Maybe I can make a pin to go on there, and then we can just move this around. Clamp work down. Sounds good. Right, I need to buy a few more of these, I think. I think I've only got one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've only got one. I'm not sure. Oh no, we have two. That's even better. Oh, that finger's starting to hurt. Rightio. Okay. We should try and lift the cart up. That way you may be able to wheel it in and out. Alright. I'll have to get my wife to give me a hand to lift it, so what we'll do is we'll turn you off and we'll come back. Hey, we're back. I've lifted it up. My wife has given me a hand. I'll show you here. And I have a visitor as well. Here we go. So it's up on there. You should be able to see that. Yeah, it sits on there. It sits really good. And of course my visitor, there she is there. I can't do much work when she parks her butt right where I'm working. Look at her. She's quite happy. She'll stay there for an hour or so. But if I leave, I'm going to go and have a coffee anyway, so she'll come with me. So what we have to do now is we're going to strip everything off this cart and we're going to weld her up. We've got a few other extra bits we've got to add to it as well, but we should be pretty well right to strip everything down and go from there. So we'll turn yours off, I'll go and have a coffee, and we'll get back into it. Spot you in a bit. Rightio, I'm back after that. Shelby's disappeared, so let's get into this. We'll get this thing apart. We'll start anyway. Yep, we're back. We are. We've still got a little bit of time. So we're doing alright. So we have to take off this. For some reason I had done up tight. Probably didn't think it was coming off. I'm running out of time, I have to go sort it out next week. I think I'm going to have to sort it out next week. Or do I leave it on? No, because I need to weld in there. It's just going to be in the road. Maybe not. Or maybe I'll leave it on. We might have to leave it on, see how we go. This in here we might leave this on. Yeah, that's not good. We have to drill a thing in here to stop it coming off. Alright, it's pack up time anyway. So we're going to take the motor off. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to take this off. Or do we undo that, undo the motor, it all should slide that way. Yeah, we could get, yeah, that's no big deal. We don't need the axle out, but I think we can weld most of it with the axle in there. Yeah, I think I can leave the axle in there. We might just have to anyway. Oh, let's come off that. Got a little bit of rust on it, don't it? A little bit of rust on there. Don't know why. But that came out of there. Okay, so we're going to leave the axle in. Alright, this is old Bodger signing off. till next week when we'll get the motor out and start welding her up. So catch you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See ya.